Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MLT Concepts Made Easy. In this video, we will learn about the complete blood count test, commonly known as the CBC test. This is one of the most important and commonly performed blood tests in medical laboratories. CBC test means complete blood count. It checks types, number and size of cells in the blood. This test gives a general health of the body. Components of CBC are red blood cell count, white blood cell count, platelet count, hemoglobin, hematocrit, mean corpuscular volume, mean corpuscular hemoglobin, mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, and red cell distribution width. RBC components are RBC count, hemoglobin, hematocrit, MCV, MCH, MCHC and RDW. RBC count measures the red blood cells number. Low RBC counts caused by anemia, blood loss, nutritional deficiencies. High RBC counts caused by dehydration. Hemoglobin is the oxygen-carrying protein in red blood cells. Low levels of hemoglobin caused by anemia and high levels of hemoglobin caused by dehydration. Hematocrit measures the percentage of blood made up of red blood cells. Low levels of hematocrit caused by anemia and bleeding. High levels of hematocrit caused by dehydration and polycythemia. MCV measures the average size of red blood cells. Low levels caused by iron deficiency anemia. High levels caused by vitamin B12 or folate deficiency. MCH measures the average hemoglobin per red cell. This helps classify types of anemia. MCHC measures the concentration of hemoglobin in red cells. Low levels caused by iron deficiency. RDW measures the variation in red blood cell size. WBC components are total WBC count and differential count. Differential count measures the breakdown of white blood cell types. 5 types of white blood cells are neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils and basophils. This is an image of 5 types of white blood cells. Platelet components are platelet count and MPV. Platelet count helps to make blood clot. Low levels cause bleeding risk. High levels cause inflammation and bone marrow disorders. Mean platelet volume measures average platelet size. A complete blood count test is used to evaluate the overall health of a patient. It helps in diagnosing conditions such as anemia, infection, inflammation, and many blood-related disorders. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.